Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace hood struts on your Lexus RX 350. This is an easy method you can do yourself. First, gather your tools, like a flathead screwdriver and a sturdy prop rod. Safety is paramount, so always ensure the hood is securely supported. Remember to replace only one strut at a time to keep the hood stable throughout the process. This prevents any unexpected drops. Now let's remove the old struts. Carefully locate the small retaining clips on both ends of the strut. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry open these clips. Be careful not to lose them. Once the clips are open, you can carefully detach the strut from its upper and lower mounting points. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage to the mounting balls. One down, one to go. With the old strut removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new strut with the upper and lower mounting balls. Firmly push the strut onto the ball joints until you hear a satisfying click. This indicates it's securely in place. Double-check that both ends are fully seated and cannot be easily pulled off. Repeat this process for the second strut, ensuring the hood remains supported. Once both new struts are installed, it's time for the final test. Carefully lower and then raise your hood to check their operation. The hood should now stay open on its own, without any assistance. Confirm that it feels stable and secure. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old, worn-out hood struts. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Lexus RX 350 hood struts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.